In construction, a beautiful wall is not just about appearance. It is the result of skill, experience, and attention to detail. Today, we're going to follow the process of building a double brick wall. Strong, straight, and built to high standards. To build a quality wall, the materials play a key role. The bricks used here are standard fired bricks, uniform in size and free from defects. Cement, sand, and water are carefully mixed to create a mortar with strong bonding ability. Tools like the trowel, level, and guideline are essential to ensure precision during the process. The worker begins by mixing the mortar. Sand and cement are blended evenly, then water is added gradually. A good mortar mix should not be too dry or too wet, allowing it to firmly hold each brick in place. Before laying bricks, the wall position is marked and a string line is set up. This line acts as a guide to keep every row straight and aligned. It's a crucial step that determines the final look of the wall. The first row of bricks is placed carefully. A layer of mortar is spread evenly, and each brick is set into position. The worker adjusts every brick by hand and checks alignment to ensure a level surface. Now the double brick wall begins to take shape. 2 layers of bricks are built in parallel, connected firmly with mortar in between. The bricks are staggered to increase strength and stability. As the wall rises, the worker constantly checks vertical alignment using a level. Row by row, the structure becomes stronger, straighter, and more complete. After the wall's built, finishing work begins. Excess mortar is cleaned off and the joints are neatly shaped. The surface is inspected carefully to ensure everything is even and precise. The finished double brick wall. Solid, straight, and visually clean. Behind this result is the craftsmanship and experience of skilled workers. If you enjoy real construction work like this, don't forget to follow the channel for more projects like this.
Thấy rõ ba mươi không hiểu đâu, lấy nơi là không hiểu đâu, biết thế nào mà đủ.